Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can export 4K video in Davinci Resolve. So in order to export 4K video in Davinci Resolve, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Here is how you can actually export on Davinci Resolve. In order to export a 4K video on Davinci Resolve, you have to go and tap on the deliver button located in the bottom of your screen. As you click on it, you will see an advanced export settings unlike the file export. Now through the Davinci Resolve has render process specifically. Right on this page, you have to choose MP4 or QuickTimer as video format depending on your performances. And while MP4 is common and widely supported format, it will provide lesser video quality than. So taking to the account that QuickTime is already supported by YouTube, Instagram and many other platforms, it would be more suitable for you to personally export it. Now if you select MP4 video format, choose H.264 or H.265 as codec, and these codecs will give you a video a small compressions level although with a smaller file size. Now if you select QuickTime, you can choose ProRes. This code will highest quality of your video with a minimum level of compressions while the file size will increase. Make sure that the resolution on both timeline and project are the same. Now if you work with 4K, you should get now 3840 into 2160 is the export settings. Thereafter, if you work with a full HD, you should set 1920 into 1080p. That is the export settings. Now pay attention that you'll get a better video quality after comparison if you filmed your footage in 4K or higher quality as well. So then the choice between 24 FPS and 30 PS depends on a specific requirement of your project. You may record at least 30 FPS for a smoother video, or if your footage is dynamic, both frame rates formats will give you a same quality video whether you recorded the footage in the 24 fp or 30 fps. And then you can locate the destination where you actually want to export. So that's basically how you can export 4K video in Davinci Resolve. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.